Alright, here we come to the elevators at 2 Hanover Square in Raleigh, North Carolina. These are Otis Elevonic 411. Vanity call stations. Separate controllers, wow. We got this one. Otis. 29, 28, 27, 26, 25. Here we go. Woo! These are fast. These were installed in 1991. These travel 700 feet per minute. Button already went out. Oh, there goes the classic leveling. It's gone to L. It's a nice elevator. These are fast. These are your fixtures. Button goes out. And watch this. Classic leveling. Alright, we'll take it for one more ride and that'll be it. Oh, you're going up?
Yep.
Your floor, sir?
I'll do 17, please.
Sorry, I don't. This kind of scared me. I almost thought I shut the elevator door on you.
No, I'm good.
Okay. I'm just taking a video of the elevator. These are Otis Elevonic 411 from 1991. These are fast elevators, I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Alright, you take care and have a good day.
You too.
Look in the mirror, who do you see? Hi. Watch the button go out. Let's see if we can go sample the chime. Oh, it just left. We got that one right there. This one goes to the basement, so we're going to take this one, go down to the basement, we'll end the video there. So similar to the other set of elevators. Otis. Alright, we're going to go down to the basement on this one. Here we go. Whoa! Look in the door, who do you see? Hi. This one's got the single speed door. Never seen a single speed door in a high-rise building like this. Oh, my ears popped. Let's see if we can ring the bell. Wait for it. But there we go. We'll try one more time, see if it'll get it to ring. I got it. Alright, that's it.